Devin saying, I'm going to be doing a craft for you. Here are the examples. You need some safety goggles. You need some pencil crayons. I already took mine out. You need this if you want. So you can have a stapler. I don't mind if you don't. So first, you fold. Oh, my. This paper has stuff on it already. Sorry. I was just doing something. So first, you do a line in the middle. Then you have to draw some length. So you have to put on your safety goggles for this part. You have to take a pencil and try to draw the example. You draw 2 middle lines. Just make sure they connect together.
Dad, I know you were going to connect it together.
So now let's make some green line.
Gee,
stop it. Stop. That's supposed to be my sister.
Dad, I know you were going to connect it.
Gee, you're messing up my video. Can you stop?
I know you were going to connect it together and do the 3 bends.
Okay. So then you gotta make sure the screen is slimy bits.
And I know you were going to do that. And I knew you were going to do that.
Stop messing up my video.
I know you were going to do that.
Fine, can you just stop talking in the middle of my video? So now,
Mama.
see, look at it. Looks like a helicopter, right? So it's almost done. Now you're going to take a pencil and gently put it. You could use safety goggles for this board. I don't care. Take these. Try bending the areas. Then you bend. Okay, use this way. Use the stapler to try.
Then don't staple your hand, okay?
Don't go. So, sorry, that was just a loud noise from this guy. He's my stapler. Stop it.
Stop it.
So here are my safety goggles. We can use them for one simple thing. Okay? So now let's get... strip this thing. Let's take this. Make sure that we have to make sure that the safety goggles are dirty. Okay? So you gotta use this to try to cover this. Try to make sure. Cover it all over here.
You don't feel like you were sick?
So now you just make sure it goes all around the goggle. Okay? All around it. Make sure it looks like this. See that? You see me? I can see you. Funny. So this bit got can't.
Devin, prevent you're gonna do silly talk.
Now you have to use this. I don't want to do silly talk in my video.
Let's do silly and talk.
There we go.
And next do.
Now it looks great. So isn't it? Oh, I see. You can't see it. My fault. So if you wanted to use these bit, or if you wanted to not,
I know you can't see that.
You have to use this and chomp it and chomp it and chomp it. That is the end of this video. I would be hoping you would watch some of my other videos, but this is the only one I would be making. So I'll see you soon, and make sure you comment down below.